ColourPop No Filter powder in the shade Translucent. I'm putting that underneath my contour, my under eyes. I'm going to let that sit for a little bit and then I'm going to wipe it all off. To set the rest of my face, I'm just using some Shiny Cosmetics blush. For highlight today, I'm using this BH Cosmetics palette. I'm obsessed with this highlight palette. Absolutely love it. I'm just using this golden shade. Highlight is just my favorite thing ever, you guys. You don't even understand how much I love it. For eyes, all the shades I'm using is the Nubian palette by Juvia's Place. The first thing I used was this matte tan shade, put that all over my eye. I just took a little bit of a red shimmer shade, placed that a little bit on my outer corner, into my crease, just to give it more of a warm look. And then I use this shimmery gold shade for my eyelid. This is now my favorite lipstick shade ever. It is such a natural, pretty mauvey pink. Here's an up-close shot of my lips. I did not overline my lips today, not too much, so they're not dramatically overlined like I normally do. And that is it for my makeup. I hope you all liked it. Don't forget to comment, rate, share, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so you are aware of when my next video is out. And I'll see you guys next time.